Radio drama has been a very famous and popular feature some decades before, when there was no any other source of communication. There was only radio, and the radio drama was the only source of reflection of society, of people's feeling. If we compare radio drama and TV drama, in TV, when people focus on screen, their attention get divided in two chunks. They look at the actor's face, and they also enjoy their dialogues. But in radio drama, there is only source of their actors and their voices, their expressions delivered through their stresses and pauses. So, in radio drama, all feelings are aroused through voices, through effects, and some other contributions. Uh, I do remember so many radio plays that I heard from Radio Pakistan and from All India Radio and from different international broadcasting services, and I enjoyed a lot. People used to listen the radio drama, and they actually were waiting for radio drama. But with the passage of time, camera comes in our lives, and radio drama now is the part of our past. Uh, but definitely, we still have recordings of those dramas. I must share here an incident which was shared by an actor from Radio Pakistan. He told that once there was a live drama broadcasting from Radio Pakistan. By mistakenly, he cried, and sound effect of fire played after his crying voice, and he intelligently, very intelligently, he handled the situation, and changed the dialogue and said, "Zalim, तूने पहले खंजर से वार किया और फिर गोली भी चला दी." So these were the situations, was very interesting, and I must suggest all the students of mass communication that if they start their productions, if they want to start a good career in electronic media, actually, they must listen some recordings of radio drama. They are available on different websites, on YouTube, and if we see and if we watch the history of different celebrities, we notice this thing that all the celebrities started their career from radio in the past. So, if we want to learn the dialogue, the stresses and pauses, and especially if we want to get engaged audience, radio drama could be a very, very good source for our mass comm students.